Opened up to me
What
like
up to
I was
Mika
Barbara
Davis? Y'all know to go check out our very
Ridiculous. He
supportive
told me about his lawyer.
supporters.
He had sex with my mama. Why? Spirituality.
If you let it
Hell, his bad back. Doctor said I need a backiotomy. His love life. I'm in for this, man. Get away from me, bitch. I mean, talk about a guy with problems.
Up with a man.
I can't take it too far. No wonder he smoked a pound a week. Somebody run. So now we had a famous clientele.
Well, that's what's up. Appreciate you for stopping by when you got time.
And guess what else? Call me next week.
I'll definitely return the subs.
Yo, drop the charges, set the timer, race the clock, I'm the death defier. Snitch and tell if it's sitting well from a test of fire, it's a test of fire. Inhale the smoke, it gets me higher. Put a bullet hole in your breast supply, your ride, contemplate your constant state of constipation, non-debate, forget the fiber, whoa. Now I'm making moves, I don't write the rules, I just light the fuse. You got a right to choose, despite the news. If you don't like the food, then don't bite and chew. I'm certified, deep in the fight, reaching the heights you aspire to. A murder mics, now I'm serving life. You gotta earn a stripe just to wipe the shoe. My nerves are numb.
Let's be in the building. What's crack-a-lacking?
Burning time, searching for funds. Work's never done till they trying to pay me like I'm the baby, not the mama. I wanna see you bust it down, Tatiana. Pop the llama, don't stop the drama till we charge the fucking cop to shop. Rihanna, no peace.
The extracts industry has some dirty tricks.
Well, big ups to my dude Roosevelt. I'm thinking about my reservoir. Anyways, Roosevelt Reviews recently had a graduation on his channel. Y'all know to go check out that content over there. Bro been doing his thing over there. I done already went back and reviewed his whole resume. I'm subbed up on my cultivation channel already. So yeah, I do remember networking. Not specifically with you, but you know the networking part of it. Y'all know how we do. You know, you make sure you meet plenty of people while y'all out here in them YouTube streets. Hell, you ain't gonna get 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 people to be watching your videos unless you get out and shake some hands and kiss some babies. Shout out to shaking babies and kissing hands. However you want to do it. You know, it's your networking. Make sure you do it for you.
Tricks up its sleeve, especially when it comes to rosin and DHO. Let's uncover what they're not telling you. But before we do, today's video is brought to you by RealDGC.com. If you want to connect with our private community of premium growers,
you definitely got to rewind Mr.
around the world, and get access to exclusive Dude Grow Show content. Membership is free, and you can become a DGC producer if you want to help support the value that we bring you here. Head on over to RealDGC.com and get signed up today. All right, back to the show. All right, let's get into this, Scotty. You do concentrates. I do not. So you're going to inform me a little bit today. Let's start off with the difference between rosin and BHO.
Yeah, since I do concentrates, all right. I love that. Rosin is the stuff that you squeeze. It'll take a bud and I'll put it in one of them rosin presses. I've got one over my shoulder. I don't know what shoulder it's over. But yeah, they're just no chemicals at all. You're just folding either your bud or your bubble hash in a bag and using heat and pressure to squeeze it.
All right, I got it. That's pretty simple. Heat, pressure.
Congratulations to the big homie beat after beat. He real close to that 500. Y'all ain't subbed up, you fucking up, which, you know, we already know y'all are over here. Y'all might not be watching him on Taco Tuesdays when he come out with the beer, the tacos, and the hot sauce. But, you know, we be over there every Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all go support that big homie beat after beat. He almost at that 500, you know what I'm saying? He's celebrating his milestones just like I'm celebrating mine. Hell, we hit that 200K views on TWP. That made me get back to work on the cultivation channel. Shouts out to the team Deepwater Cultivating channel, because, you know, we getting it over there too. Y'all know to go congratulate my bro beat after beat. You know, bless the Cash App. It's kind of like his birthday. You know what I'm saying? Hit him up. Six Balls got me laughing talking about. He said, "I want to see you busted out Tatiana." Yeah, Mr. Sess Crew be wild with them verses. You know, we got real Kansas City lyricists out here. You know what I'm saying? I might have to pay him to do a feature on one of DJ Iz's beats. Drop him like a hot 500. See what he do.
Pressure, BHO, not so simple. I mean, I remember seeing this liquid pies of pizza, like in pizza boxes of BHO oil, butane hash oil. How's
that? You put the material, the starting material. I think they use flour, and they what do they pack a column?
What up, Adrian?
Whatever,
appreciate you for stopping by too.
Butane through the plant material, and they're pulling out all the terpenes and cannabinoids. It's not very selective, so it's pulling out basically